stylish African fabric tote bag. Items needed: 1. Fabric. 2. Fusible interface. 3. Lining. 4. Any fabric for the handle. 5. Zipper. 6. Matching thread. 7. Tape. 8. Scissors. 9. Fabric marker. 10. Pins. 11. Sewing machine. Lovely fabric. I'm using the book length as the length and width of my bag. (16 × 16 inches). I'm cutting out to pieces for both back and front part. Then cut out the lower part, 16 × 16, one piece. Cut the part for zipper attachment, 16 × 4 inches, two pieces. Cut out the inner lining, length 20 for X, width 16. Cut out interfacing for all the pieces. Place the pieces on the interfacing and cut out the patterns. Cutting out a 10 × 10 inch pocket. Iron on all the interfacings. Additional stuff. 1. 2 16 × 4 inch fabric. Lining for the zipper part. 2. Attach zipper to the 16 × 4 pocket for the inside. 3. 2 handle straps 36 inches first, each. Secure 4. The ends 2 of the zipper 3 with the 3 times to fabric. Zippers. Make sure the zipper is same size with the fabric. Cut off any excess. Attach zipper to both sides. top stitch. Join the other 16 times 4-inch lining to the zipper on both sides. Pin the 10 times 10 pocket to one part of the 16 times 16 fabric. Sew on edge of the pocket. Join the handles like so. Join the handle to the other 16x16 fabric. Join the extra 16 times 16 fabric to the lower end of both. And top stitch. Cut out 2 times 2-inch squares from the lower ends. Do the same to the 24 times 16 lining fabric. Sew on the extra 10 times 10 pocket to the lining. Join the zipper part to the top part of the 16 times 16 fabric on both sides. Top stitch both sides. Join the top ends of the lining to the extra 16 times for inner zipper lining just like before. Make sure the lining pocket is facing outwards. Other side. Join the sides from end to end. Same with the other side. Don't forget to leave 3 inches at the side to allow you turn it inside out when finished. Now join the cutouts at the bottom together like so. Stitch across. Do the same to all 4 corners. Now turn the bag inside out through that hole we left open. That's the inner part with the inner pocket. Stitch. Close the open part. Top stitch both sides, optional. Looking good. Top stitch, the top part too. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.